Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Roku Ultra picture and sound modes easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Roku Ultra is connected to your TV and powered on. Use your Roku remote to navigate to the home screen. On the home screen, scroll down to the settings option. Select settings by pressing the OK button on your remote. In the settings menu, look for display type and select it. Choose the appropriate display type that matches your TV's capabilities. Press the OK button to confirm your selection. Next, return to the settings menu and scroll down to audio. Select audio to access the sound settings. Here, you can choose between stereo and surround sound options. Pick the option that best fits your audio setup. Once you've made your selection, press the OK button to save it. To adjust the picture mode, return to the main settings menu. Scroll to Human Interface and select Picture Settings. In this section, you will find options for different picture modes. Choose from options like Standard, Vivid, or Movie. Select the picture mode that you prefer for your viewing experience. Press the OK button to apply your chosen picture mode. Finally, exit the settings menu to return to your home screen. Your Roku Ultra is now configured for optimal picture and sound settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.